Alright, obviously start out, grab a 2D box, add it to the scene, and then we'll resize it just a bit. Next, add a global variable. Click the little plus sign and choose int. I'll set the variable to 100, and then I'm going to connect it up for dimensions and choose set with expression. Two values are actually reversed since we want it to go up and down versus left and right. Now you'll see it move on the Y value when we move the slider, but it's going from the top down. If we change the pivot point to go from the bottom, then it will go up. Now we just got to hook this up to whatever Twitch reward we want. So in this case, I'm just going to put it in as a chat message. And we want to attach that to the variable that we created. That's going to drive the plus 10. So hook it up here, set with an expression, and then we want the target value, which would be the value of the variable, to change. So we'll put target plus 10. Now every time somebody hits this keyword, it'll increment that variable by 10. I was testing the wrong thing. So click that, click that. You can see the bar starting to. So that's the basis for your bar. If you wanted to get a little fancier, you could even add some color to it. If you hook that value change up to the color attribute, copy the RGBA value settings. Right now it disappeared, so I'm gonna have to change this to 255, 255, 255 for pure white. It'll actually be 4 255s because that last one is for the alpha numeric for opacity. I'm going to copy that and then do a test. And it'll test the value coming in if it's greater than or equal to, say, 75. Now, if that's true, we want it to be green. So I'll adjust the RGB values to 02550 for pure green. Then put a comma. And if it doesn't match that greater than 75, leave it as white. Now we can take that slider and you'll see if we can drag it up. Once it hits that 75 threshold, the whole color changes to green.